Greetings, YouTube. Allowing us back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel. Today is indeed Saturday, April 18th, 2020. And in today's video, we're going to give you guys a first-time look at something quite spectacular here in our front yard garden extended grow area. We actually await for this to happen in our yard every year, and it's about that time, YouTube. It's about that time. Before I show you what's going on with what we're about to show you, I'm going to show you what they looked like in our last video update. And now, YouTube, I'm going to spin this camera around for you guys and show you exactly what our gladiolus look like today, Saturday, April 18th, right here in Grow Zone 8B, Tifton, Georgia, at the Green Thumb Gardening channel. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam. Don't they look good, YouTube? We await our gladiolus every year. And for those of you who haven't been following the series on our gladiolus here in our front yard garden extended grow area right next to Mr. Timmy the Turtle's pond, these are indeed our 4th generation gladiolus. We dug these gladiolus up from along the roadside here 4 years ago, YouTube. Every year they come back thicker, taller, and with more blossoms. And it is that time of year, YouTube, where our gladiolus come into blossom. And this is what they look like, YouTube. This is indeed how spectacular our gladiolus are currently looking right here, right now. Grow Zone 8B in our front yard garden extended grow area. And we truly cannot be more pleased by what we see. Aren't they lovely? Yeah. Our orange and yellow gladiolus, 4th generation. Right here in our front yard garden extended grow area. We're really loving what we see, YouTube. Thanks for watching. And if indeed you currently are watching this video and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening channel, please take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah. Our long-awaited gladiolus blossoms right here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel. Thanks for watching, YouTube.
City do stay. I'm unleashed rap king of the streets, ripping up another beat, and I still don't play. I flow smooth in my lyrics on time. All my haters in the crowd, it's live, but I leave them all quiet when I say what's on my mind. I ain't fell off, I won't stop. There is a diss on the corner of the top until my very last breath. I'm gonna give it all I got. Red eye thinking late night flight. Won't stop and tell us that I'm touching down in Cali, destination in the valley, and I'm feeling alright. I'm elevated, I'm a product of the sun. On top status, I'm a flowing apparatus. Got my haters talking chatter, but I still get it done. Everywhere I go, I still see pros. On the beat, see I'm walking down the street, high heels on their feet, almost wearing no clothes. I'm making money selling records overseas. All ain't gonna, I'll be smoking marijuana. You can find me down under, even in the Philippines. Like Ali, I'm a lion, I'm the greatest. Top notch, I can see outside the box. I'm making haters stop and watch because they know that I done made it.
Rewind, the gunshot means forward. Requested it, so we rewind.
Looking for me, you can find me in my life. I stand tall, but I keep my circle small. Don't let them lawyers get involved whenever I profit off my name. I'm full grown, I'm a lion in my prime. Check my design, I mean the way I spit around. I'm about to make that hater feel me like I did the last time. Deep breath and I'ma drop another verse. No competition for this lion on a mission. If you want it, come and get it. I'ma hit you in first. You need a minute, let my words marinate. It's been a